Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car jacks for keeping you safe and prepared on the road. Whether you're changing a flat tire or working on your ride in the garage, having a reliable jack is non-negotiable. I've tested and reviewed the strongest, fastest, and most portable options available right now. We're talking heavy-duty hydraulic jacks and compact scissor jacks that lift with zero hassle. Now here's why it matters. A bad jack can be dangerous, but these picks offer rock-solid stability and effortless operation. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. AV Steel. The AV Steel is perfect for homeowners and professionals seeking a durable, high-performance steel solution for their construction or renovation projects. Featuring a premium-grade steel composition, it delivers exceptional strength and long-lasting resilience against corrosion and wear, ensuring structural integrity for years to come. Made from a meticulously crafted alloy, this steel provides superior load-bearing capacity while maintaining a sleek, modern finish that complements any design aesthetic. Its versatile nature makes it ideal for framing, supports, or decorative accents, adapting seamlessly to both indoor and outdoor applications. Whether you are building a new deck or reinforcing a commercial structure, the AV Steel combines unmatched reliability with effortless workability, making it an essential choice for anyone who values quality and longevity in their materials. Gurduenon SUV. The Gurduenon SUV is perfect for drivers who demand rugged capability and refined comfort in a single, commanding package. Featuring an advanced all-wheel drive system and a turbocharged engine, it delivers exceptional power and traction across diverse terrains, from city streets to off-road trails. Made from high-strength materials and equipped with a reinforced suspension, this vehicle ensures durability and a smooth, controlled ride under any condition. Its spacious, premium cabin offers seating for 7 with intuitive technology and superior sound insulation, keeping every journey quiet and connected. Whether navigating daily commutes or weekend adventures, the Gurduenon SUV combines versatility, safety, and sophisticated style, making it an essential choice for modern families and outdoor enthusiasts. Jack Boss. Jack Boss is the perfect tool for professionals and home organizers who demand efficiency and style in their daily routine. Featuring a robust, multi-compartment design, this premium organizer keeps your keys, wallet, phone, and cards securely separated and instantly accessible. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it protects your essentials from daily wear and unexpected spills while maintaining a sleek, professional appearance. Equipped with a built-in RFID blocking pocket, it safeguards your personal information from digital theft. Its slim profile fits comfortably in any bag or pocket without adding unnecessary bulk. Whether you are commuting to work, traveling, or running errands, Jack Boss combines superior organization with essential security features. Its thoughtful construction and refined design make it an indispensable accessory for anyone seeking a clutter-free, protected, and polished carry solution. DNA Motoring 2T 4000. The DNA Motoring 2T 4000 is the perfect solution for drivers seeking a robust and reliable roof rack system to expand their vehicle's cargo capacity. Featuring a heavy-duty steel construction and a sleek black powder-coated finish, this two-bar system offers exceptional strength and corrosion resistance for long-lasting durability. Made to fit most vehicles with factory rain gutters or raised side rails, it provides a secure mounting platform for hauling luggage, camping gear, or sporting equipment. Equipped with rubber pads and weather-resistant end caps, the 2T 4000 protects your vehicle's roof from scratches while reducing wind noise during travel. Its adjustable design allows for a custom fit, ensuring stability and peace of mind on any journey. VEVOR. The VEVOR brand is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and homeowners who demand reliable, high-performance tools without breaking their budget. Featuring industrial-grade construction with robust materials like heavy-duty steel and reinforced components, every VEVOR product is built to withstand rigorous daily use in workshops, garages, or on job sites. Equipped with powerful motors and precision-engineered parts, these tools deliver exceptional efficiency for tasks ranging from woodworking to automotive repair. Its thoughtful design often includes safety features and user-friendly controls, ensuring both novice and experienced users can operate them with confidence. Whether you need a sturdy workbench, a powerful winch, or a versatile heat press, VEVOR combines durability with affordability. Compact yet powerful, These tools save valuable workspace while maximizing output. DNA Motoring Tools 00234. The DNA Motoring Tools 00234 is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a reliable and versatile tool for everyday tasks. Featuring a durable chrome vanadium steel construction, this tool delivers superior strength and long-lasting performance even under heavy use. Equipped with an ergonomic, non-slip handle, it provides exceptional comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended projects. Its precision-machined head ensures a secure fit on fasteners, preventing slippage and potential damage to your workpieces. Whether you are assembling furniture, performing automotive repairs, or tackling home maintenance, this tool offers the perfect balance of durability and precision. Compact and lightweight, it stores easily in any toolbox or drawer without taking up unnecessary space. Gurduenon SUV. The Gurduenon SUV is perfect for drivers who demand rugged capability and refined comfort in one commanding package. Featuring an advanced all-wheel drive system and a turbocharged engine, this vehicle delivers exceptional traction and power across challenging terrains while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Made from high-strength steel and reinforced aluminum, its body offers superior durability without adding unnecessary weight, ensuring both safety and agility on the road. Equipped with a spacious, leather-trimmed interior and a state-of-the-art infotainment system, it provides effortless connectivity and luxurious seating for up to 7 passengers. Whether navigating city streets or exploring remote trails, the Gurduenon SUV combines versatility, performance, and elegance, making it an essential choice for adventurous families and professionals alike. Powerbuilt. The Powerbuilt tool set is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliability and performance in every project. Featuring a durable, chrome vanadium steel construction, this kit offers exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion for long-lasting use. Made with precision-machined drive teeth, the ratchets provide a smooth, secure grip that prevents slippage even on stubborn fasteners. Equipped with a comprehensive range of sockets and bits, it ensures you have the right tool for automotive, household, or workshop tasks. Its organized, blow-molded case keeps components neatly stored and easily portable, saving you time and frustration. Whether you are tackling a quick repair or a major overhaul, the Powerbuilt set combines rugged durability with professional-grade functionality, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Big Red T90413. The Big Red T90413 is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who demand reliable lifting power in a compact package. Featuring a robust 12-volt electric motor and a durable steel frame, this portable hoist delivers up to 1,000 pounds of lifting capacity with ease. Equipped with a 13-foot remote control, it offers safe and convenient operation from a distance, making it ideal for garages, workshops, or job sites. Its lightweight design ensures effortless setup and transport, while the included wire rope and hook provide immediate readiness for your toughest tasks. Whether you are lifting engines, building materials, or heavy equipment, the Big Red T90413 combines strength, safety, and portability in one essential tool. Big Red T43202. The Big Red T43202 is the perfect solution for anyone needing a reliable and powerful portable winch for heavy-duty recovery tasks. Featuring a robust 12-volt electric motor and a single-line pulling capacity of 4,500 pounds, this winch delivers impressive strength for its size. Made with a durable steel cable and a weather-sealed housing, it is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and demanding jobs. Its compact design allows for easy mounting on trucks, trailers, or ATVs, while the included remote control provides safe and convenient operation from a distance. Whether you are recovering a stuck vehicle or hauling heavy loads, the Big Red T43202 offers exceptional performance and dependability. Equipped with a reliable braking system, it ensures secure holds and controlled releases every time.